High-level language. High-level language is a programming language that is designed to be easy for humans to read and write. It abstracts away the complex details of the computer hardware and machine code, making it more user-friendly. High-level language are typically closer to human language, both in terms of syntax and structure, than low-level language like assembly or machine codes. High-level programming language is made for human, not machine. It helps programming write instruction in a way that's easier to understand, almost like regular English or close to it. Instead of worrying about that tiny detailed step a computer actually needs to follow, like with machine codes or assembly language. High-level language lets you focus on the logic and the structure of your program. Uh, it is it is closer to human language and further away from machine language. It allows programmer to write write code that is easier to read, understand, and maintain. This is the abstract characteristic of high-level language. Abstraction. High-level language abstract away the hardware details like memory management, register, and etiquette. So programmers don't need to deal directly with machine code. English like syntax. The syntax of high-level language often resemble English, making them intuitive to learn and use. For example, a statement like if, while, print are common in high-level language. Portability. Programmers written in a high-level language can often be run on different types of computer with little to no modification. This is due to the use of compiler or interpreter that translate the code into machine language. Ease of debugging. Since the code is closer to natural language, it's easier to spot error and bugs. Less control over hardware. High-level language sacrifice some control over the hardware to make programmers similar. So abstraction means hiding complex details and showing only the necessary parts to the user. In programming, it's like using something without needing to know exactly how it works, understand the code. And English English like syntax. High-level programming language are designed to be easier for human to read and understand, especially especially compared to low-level language. To do this, they often use words and phrases that look similar to English. Portability. Portability means you can write a program once and run it on different type of computer, Windows, Mac, Linux, and etc. without rewriting the code. Portability. Portability is easy of debugging. Easy of debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors or bug in your code. Example number one, read and understand what the code is supposed to do. Step two, spot mistake more quickly like types or logic errors. And step three, use helpful errors message that point you to do the problem. It's the less control over hardware. Less control over hardware. High-level programming language are designed to be easy to use to use and understand. To achieve this this they hide the complex details of how the computer's hardware works. And this is the example of high-level language: Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. At Ruby, Swift, PHP. Python, a popular general-purpose programming language now for its simplicity and readability. Java, a widely used object-oriented language that emphasizes portability and can run on any device with a Java Virtual Machine or JVM. C++, a language that supports both high-level and low-level programming, and it often used in system software, game development, and performance-critical applications. JavaScript, mainly used for development and building dynamics user interface. Ruby, known for its elegant syntax and used mainly in web development. Swift, Apple programming language for iOS, and macOS applications. PHP, widely used for server-side web development. This is the advantage of high-level language. 1. Easy of learning and use. Faster development, readability, handling, cross-platform compatibility, and libraries and framework. Ease of learning and use. They are much easier to learn than low-level language like assembly or machine code, especially for beginners. Faster development. Developers can write and maintain code more efficiently, which speed up development time. Readability. Code written in high-level language is easier to understand, which is important for maintenance and collaboration. Error handling. High-level language often include built-in error checking and debugging tools, making it easier to catch bugs early in the development process. Cross-platform compatibility. Many high-level language support cross-platform compatibility, meaning the same code can run on multiple operating systems without modification. High-level language come with rich sets of libraries and framework that simplify complex tasks. Example, website, web development, data analysis. This is the advantage of disadvantage of high-level language. Performance, less control over hardware, overhead. High-level language performance. High-level language tend to be slow than low-level language because they are not as optimized for a specific hardware. The added abstraction layers can incur performance penalties. Less control over hardware. High-level language hide many of the intricate details of how the hardware works, which can be a disadvantage if you need to fine fine-tune performance or access specific hardware feature. Overhead. The extra abstraction in high-level language can introduce overhead in terms of memory and process power, which can be problematic in resource constrained environment. Compilation. Compilation compilation versus interpretation. Compiled language. It's a programming language that translates human readable code into machine code High-level language like C++ and Java are compiled into machine codes before execution. The entire programming and translate at once, resulting in fast execution but requiring a compilation step. Interpreted language. Languages like Python and JavaScript are interpreted, meaning that they are executed line by an interpreter. While this can be make development quicker, interpreted programs tend to run slower than compiled ones. Hybrid language. Some language like Java use both compilation and interpretation. Java is compiled into by bytecode, then interpreted by the Java virtual machine. Compiled language. Compiled language is a type of programming language where the entire code is translated into machine code binary before the program runs. How it works. So how it works. Number one, you write the code in a high-level language like C++ or Java. Step 2, compiler translate the entire code into machine language, code the computer understand. Step 3, the computer executes the compiled program. And interpreted language is a type is a type of programming language where the code is executed line by line using a tool called an interpreter. And hybrid language. Hybrid language use both compilation and interpretation to run programs. They combine the benefits of compiled and interpreted. Uh, hybrid hybrid computers don't understand high-level language like Python, Java, or C++ directly. They This is the use cases of high-level language: web development, software development, data science and AI, mobile app development, game development. Web development is the process of creating, maintaining, and improving websites and web application. Language like JavaScript, Python, and PHP are widely used in building dynamic websites and web applications. It's a process of creating, maintaining, and improve on web application. Software development, high-level language like C++, Java, and Python are used to build desktop applications from simple tools to complex systems. Data science and AI, language like Python and R are commonly used in fields like machine learning, data analysis, and scientific computing due to their powerful libraries. Example, NumPy, TensorFlow, Pandas. Mobile app development is the process of creating software application for mobile device like smartphone and tableswift, and Kotlin are used for iOS and Android app development uh, respectively. Game development, the process of creating a video game from concept to release. High-level language like C++, with game engage like Unreal Engage, and C equals with Unity are used to develop. This is the how the, ha- how high-level language work. How high-level language work. Compiling, interpreting high-level language need to be converted into machine code, binary. for a computer to execute them. This is done through a compiler for compiled language or an interpreter for interpreted language. Execution. Once the code is compiled or interpreted, the resulting machine code runs on the computer's hardware to perform the task defined in the program. This is the evolution of high-level language. Early programming language like Fortran, Lisp, and COBOL were some of the first high-level language aimed at making programming loko, more accessible to non-computer specialists. Later language like C and Java brought even more flexibility, object-oriented programming, future and cross-platform capability. And recent dynamic language like Python, Ruby, and JavaScript have become popular due to their ease of use and vast ecosystems. And that's all. Thank you.